Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find and copy secret recovery phrase in Phantom wallet. So to get started, here's a quick param note. Never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Anyone with it can steal all your funds, which is very important. So make sure you keep it very cool and safe with you. So here's a beginner guide on how to find your secret recovery phrase on a desktop. So the first thing to do if you're on a desktop, open the Phantom extension, then click the Phantom icon in your browser. Then from there, click the gear icon, and in the bottom right corner, select security and privacy. Then from there, click export the secret recovery phrase. Then enter your password. Then the phrase will be revealed and you can copy and write it down for future purpose. And on the mobile, open your Phantom app, unlock with your face ID or your passcode. Then on step 2, tap the gear icon, which is the settings. Then on the step 3, go to settings and security, or settings and privacy rather. Then tap the recovery phrase or export recovery phrase, which is your step 4. Then on step 5, you have to authenticate your face ID or your passcode. Then tap view and copy the phrase. Then that's it. So you can as well as write it down for a future purpose. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.